Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am working with Cute Cut Craft Erin Condren Vertical Full Boxes in my Life Planner. I am using this as a way of memory keeping. So I'm focusing on a Valentine themed spread this week because I received and have been a part of an amazing Secret Cupid swap. All throughout the week, there are 14 different crafters that are participating in total. So for this week, there's 7 different crafters who are all posting their videos. There's a different video every day. We've been working way far in advance on all our Valentine gifts. The ones that I put down there were what I sent, and the ones that I'm gluing on here are what I received. There are a number of very talented crafters in this group, and so I have put down at the bottom every day who posted the video and who that happy mail was from. And then I took some pictures from the happy mail that they received, and I've put them in there. I couldn't put every single one, but I did do some highlighting of the videos or the swap packages that I had some nice pictures of. I also went out for a sort of a Valentine's themed date night with a girlfriend who I haven't seen in a long time, and I'm just documenting all of that here. In the bottom corner on the right, you'll see this one here I'm gluing down now is a happy mail that I just opened on Saturday. It is for myself and my daughter. We have pen pals, mother and daughter, that we send back and forth to. That's a picture of my daughter at the top there with the gift bag that she received, and it was a really lovely combination package. We both were spoiled with wonderful Valentine goodness. So the entire theme for this week has definitely been focused on the Valentine themed packages that have been being revealed on the YouTube Hop. And I'll link that video here. I'll link the one where I've opened my package, and then you can see down below of that video all the other people who are participating in the hop. So it's interesting because these rub-ons came to me in the happy mail from I'm Absolutely Alice, and I am utilizing them in this layout, which is a great way to add a little bit of dimension and words and sentiments to all of the different stickers that I have the full boxes for. It's kind of like personalizing them at the same time. And then I decided I could actually even go with the rub-ons over top of a photograph. Wasn't sure how well that would work, but it actually stuck really well. The other interesting thing that was perfect was the little white stickers with the typed font. Those came in my happy mail from Jana. So I'm utilizing 2 of the things that were gifted to me in the happy mail to create this layout. So it's all very cohesive and perfectly appropriate for what I'm working on. So if you're interested in ordering from Cute Cut Craft, I'll leave my coupon down below. You can get 15% off your order, as well as you can receive a special Spring Birds sampler for mentioning Tony. So I'll have that information down below if you're interested in putting together an order. I really love the stickers that she makes. I have a number of different spreads coming out, all pink and Valentine themed, throughout the next few weeks, and I'm really excited to put all of those together. I'm going to end off the last rub-on with this Stay Fabulous, which is a perfect sentiment for how I feel about this week. We've had a wonderful chat group going with the girls who are participating in this swap, and they are all so fabulous. So I'm just going to journal some notes for the week just about the happy mail that I have received, and it's going to sort of denote all of my journaling in that little side box there, and that will be all of it. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I post one of these memory keeping videos every week, and I also do a number of different Happy Mail unboxing videos, some tutorials, and a number of other different paper crafty goodness. So I thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.